Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDCHF today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we have engulfed. Okay, so if this week ends as it is, then that's probably will go long. But I think let's get back to daily. So in weekly we are in the we are in the downtrend, and in the daily, if this candle is gonna close above the EMA, then we have to wait and watch, because in the past it has closed above the EMA and has done nothing. Okay, this was your bullish breakout, this was your bullish breakout, this was your bullish breakout, nothing happened, price came down. Okay, so this was your BOS which was broken here, pullback, going up, that's fine. Coming back to 4 hour, we are in the uptrend. Your entry, okay, your entry for long in USDCHF will be after the price comes and reject the EMA. Okay, so this is your uptrend. I think price must be getting exhausted in uptrend now, so you have no choice other than waiting if you're a swing trader. Okay, this is your uptrend. Wait for the pullback until the EMA, then blue engulfing candle, and then you go long. Otherwise, you trade other pairs. Go and trade Euro USD or GBP USD, or don't trade USD pairs at all. Personally, I'm not trading USD pairs right now because of the manipulation of the dollar. Okay, so that's what I have. So I guess as per now, look for loss only after the pullback. Okay, so that's it. And subscribe, like, join my free Telegram, join my paid premium Telegram if you want to. Subscribe, like, it's all free. Coming back to this video here, that's it. I guess I don't have to say anything. I'll create one more video after this, so keep watching and take care.